The Tesla Model 3's frunk, or front trunk, latch can sometimes get stuck, either refusing to close or open. This happens due to the electromagnetic latch and striker system that secures the frunk. When the frunk is open, you can see the storage space underneath the hood, but the latch mechanism is what holds it securely closed. The system uses an electromagnetic latch on the hood and a striker on the body frame. They must align perfectly for the frunk to latch securely. Common causes include misalignment between the latch and striker, debris or dirt getting into the mechanism, and general wear over time. This issue is more common in pre-2023 Model 3 vehicles. It's important to note that Tesla often refers to the rear compartment as the trunk, but we're focusing on the front trunk, or frunk, and its latch mechanism. First, determine if the frunk is stuck open or closed. If it's stuck open, the latch might not be engaging. If it's stuck closed, the latch could be jammed. Check for visible obstructions like dirt, ice, or small objects blocking the latch mechanism. Try using the Tesla app or touchscreen to manually release the latch. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate a motor or solenoid issue. Misalignment is a frequent culprit in frunk latch issues. The latch and striker need to align within 1 to 2 millimeters for proper operation. Visually inspect the alignment when the frunk is slightly open. Here you can see the latch mechanism up close. If the alignment appears off, you may need to adjust the striker. This illustration shows how a tool can be used for manipulation. Remember safety. Never force the frunk open or close to avoid damage or injury. Tesla's software updates version 12.5 and later include diagnostics for misalignment, potentially allowing over-the-air adjustments without a service visit. Start by visually inspecting the latch and striker area for debris. Use the vehicle's technical diagram to identify the key components. Use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe away any visible debris from the latch and striker surfaces. This removes dust, dirt, or small particles that could interfere with proper operation. In colder climates, ice can form on the mechanism. Carefully apply a de-icer spray or use warm water to melt the ice without damaging electrical components. After cleaning or de-icing, ensure the area is completely dry to prevent corrosion or freezing. Always avoid using excessive force, sharp objects, or abrasive materials that could damage the sensitive mechanism. If the DIY steps don't resolve the issue, or if you suspect a more serious problem like a faulty motor or sensor, it's time to contact Tesla service. Attempting advanced repairs without proper knowledge can void your warranty or cause further damage. Contact Tesla service for professional help. Professional repairs typically cost $150 to $300, according to RepairPal. Tesla has issued recalls for frunk latch issues in the past, including NHTSA campaign number 22V014 for 2017-2021 models. This recall affected over 300,000 vehicles due to potential latch failures that could trap pedestrians in a crash. Tesla extended the warranty to 8 years or 100,000 miles for affected components, offering free repairs at service centers. The warranty extension covers the electromagnetic latch and striker system, ensuring reliability even in extreme weather conditions. This addresses common issues like misalignment or wear that could prevent the frunk from closing properly. To check if your Model 3 is affected, locate your vehicle identification number and enter it on the NHTSA website. The VIN can be found on the driver's side dashboard, door jamb, or under the hood. This will confirm eligibility for free repairs. If your vehicle is eligible, contact Tesla service centers or use the Tesla app to schedule repairs. Professional technicians will perform diagnostics and any necessary hardware replacements, ensuring your frunk operates safely and reliably. Tesla is moving towards integrated software-hardware solutions for frunk latch issues. This approach combines advanced diagnostics with mechanical improvements to enhance reliability. Future models may eliminate physical adjustments altogether through fully electronic systems. These systems use sensors and actuators for precise, automatic operation without manual intervention. Keep your Tesla software updated for the latest diagnostics and potential over-the-air fixes. Regular updates ensure your vehicle benefits from ongoing improvements to the latch system. Improved weatherproofing in newer models aims to reduce issues in extreme climates. Enhanced seals and materials prevent ice buildup and moisture damage. Be aware that supply chain issues can sometimes delay part replacements. Global logistics challenges may affect the availability of components, so plan accordingly.